Fitness trackers estimate how many calories you burn every day. But how accurate are these numbers? Can you really trust the calorie count on your smartwatch or fitness band? Most fitness trackers calculate calories using a combination of data. This includes your heart rate, movement, age, weight, height, and sometimes your activity level. The device then uses algorithms to estimate how much energy your body is using. For basic activities like walking or light exercise, many modern trackers can provide a reasonable estimate. However, the number is still an estimate, not an exact measurement. Accuracy can change depending on the type of activity you're doing. Activities like steady walking or running are usually tracked more reliably. But workouts such as weightlifting, cycling, or high-intensity interval training can be harder for trackers to measure correctly. Another factor is heart rate accuracy. Since calorie estimates rely heavily on heart rate data, any error in heart rate tracking can affect the final calorie calculation. Individual differences also play a role. Two people performing the same workout may burn different amounts of calories based on metabolism, muscle mass, and fitness level. Because of this, fitness trackers are best used as a guide rather than an exact measurement tool. They are useful for spotting trends over time, tracking activity levels, and staying motivated. But the exact calorie number should always be viewed as an approximation. If you want more straightforward explanations about wearable technology and how these devices really perform, subscribe for more practical breakdowns.